guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tisha Isabella. Today I'm going to be doing a 30-inch deep wave wig frontal install. I've already washed the wig and bleached the knots. The hair company is called Silkwave and it's a vendor off Aliexpress. So far the hair looks good, but you know how it goes. It be doing good for the first couple days and then it start acting raggedy. As you can see here, I'm already applying the ghost bun. I don't do the ball cap method, so yeah. I applied 4 layers and I blow dried it on cool. Add your color foundation to the lace. The camera stopped recording for some reason, so this is after I placed the wig down. But this is just me pulling it to show you that the wig is secured. Go ahead and take the baby hairs out where you want them. I'm gonna put the rest of the hair in a ponytail so it doesn't get in my way. And here I'm just pressing all the hair to the back, get all the flyaways out the way. I'm about to tie it down, so I'm just adding some got-to-be glue spray around the edges. Then I blow dry it for a little second on cool. Now using my razor, I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs the length I want it. I always use a bandana to tie it down, but she sent an elastic band in the package with the hair, so I said, let me try it. But I could not get it. I kept fighting with this elastic band. I wasted maybe 20 minutes with this elastic band, so I finally gave up. I tied it down for maybe 10, 20 minutes. I really was in a rush, so I didn't really have that much time to wait. And at this point, I need to get a camera because my phone just cut off again while I was recording. So I'm sorry y'all missed the part of me cutting my lace. Using my small flat iron, I'm gonna curl my baby hairs. I'm gonna add some got to be glue gel to my edges before I put the mousse on. Now I knew them baby hairs were too long, but right here I'm just going in with the razor and cutting the edges shorter. I add a small amount of mousse. I don't really know how to explain how to do the baby hair, so just watch what I do. My baby hair is not perfect, but you know, it's good enough for me. Sorry if I don't talk enough, but I really don't know what to say. Like, I'm just letting you watch what I'm doing. I really don't know what to say. And I'm gonna add got to be glue spray to keep the baby hairs in place. And I'm just pressing down the lace with the back of the comb. I'm adding mousse right now because I'm about to tie it down after I get through using the pressing comb. So while I have the hair tied down with the bandana, I'm gonna go in with a spray bottle and spray the deep wave hair to give it that cute deep wave wedding wavy look. So this is how the melt looked when I took off the bandana, looking very much scalp. Then I haven't even been doing my hair for that long. I've been doing my hair for a couple months, so just imagine when I put years in, I'm gonna be like a pro at this. I couldn't decide if I wanted a side part or middle part. Like I really wanted to do something different, so I said I'm gonna try a half up, and I couldn't get the half up, half down to look right because it's a 13x4. So then I went on YouTube again and I seen a girl do the half up, half down with just the part in the middle like that. So I said, let me see if I can pull that off, and it ended up working for me. Next time I'm gonna get some bundles that match the hair and do the wraparound pony so it can be all the same length. But it still turned out cute. I just took out a little piece and wrapped it around so you wouldn't see the rubber band, make it look a little better. All right, this is the final look. I'm finally done. I think it came out cute for my first time doing a half up, half down. Next time, I'm going to be on it. I'm going to get a 13x6 so I can get that flat look. But this turned out really cute. I'm going to attach some pictures when I put my little makeup and my outfit on at the end. Right here, I'm just going in with the hair with some water and mousse. Right now the hair is doing good. It's soft, full, fluffy, and the texture is pretty, you know. But I will do an update in a week just to see if the hair still is doing good, if it's still soft and all that. Thank you guys so much for watching my little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you ain't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Tisha Isabella. Thank y'all again for watching my video. Y'all have a great day.